Can you delete mention in Instagram story after posting? Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, if you check out your Instagram and check out your latest story with the tag, you will see that you won't be able to remove this. If you click on the more option, there might be the option of adding mentions. However, you might not be able to remove the mention in your story. This is because Instagram currently does not have the feature to delete the mention in Instagram story after posting. You certainly can add a next user in your Instagram story, but you might not be able to delete it. If you wish to delete the mention, you have to delete the entire story firstly, then you have to re-upload a story with or without a mention. We can certainly hope for an update where we can delete mention in Instagram story after posting. As of today, we won't be able to do so in our end. This sums up the tutorial as well. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. We will see you very soon.